Alright, we're approaching, we just went through some rapids, and we're approaching some pretty good rapids up here. I didn't expect anywhere on this part of the river. Look at that, honey, that's a pretty rough rapid. We may have to stop and play in that. I can't tell either. I'm pretty sure anywhere will be fine in these kayaks. Wow. Uh-huh. I think probably to the left here would be the easiest route. Wow, what a nice set of rapids. Okay, come on this way. Actually, it all looks cool. Woo! Yeah. Oh my, here's the hard part. Woohoo! Woo! Woo! Wow, I wasn't expecting that. That is awesome. Your clothes went under? Oh, the nose of your boat. Hey, that might be worth playing in a little bit. Wow, who knew? I'm not sure either. Yeah. Woo! Looks like you're doing it with ease. Yeah. Nice. My speaker went completely underwater. Yeah. Ooh, the breeze on top of it feels so good. I hope I got some good video. Hey, there's another little waterfall up here. You see it on the left? Just up past that little tree that's down. Not the big pine tree, that little one way up there. I think I'll leave the camera on till we get to it. That was fun, honey. We're definitely going to do this one again. I got a feeling it's a little bit longer trip, but uh-oh, are we racing? That's definitely a faster kayak. I know it's not you. Uh-oh. He powers ahead. Is he going to do it? He whacks her with the fishing pole. Oh, doesn't that look cool? It looks like almost like it appears out of nowhere, out from under those rocks. Yeah. Nice. Yeah. Yeah, get rid of this newly fallen tree. Oh, yeah. That's cool. Wow.